police, and them have teachers, and them have all kind of people of high society in the church, and them are going to say that is okay.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
No, we know say the incident we go on a Montego Bay, several persons were detained by the police, and based on the voice note that we see come out from members who were detained, several of them also got released, and them still a hold on upon the cult leader. Now, the question is, do you feel like everybody should have been charged? Or you feel like only the cult leader alone fit take the blunt? What do you think? Now that is the thing where Rowan talk about in another video here. So Rowan say him feel like the whole of them get charged because the whole of them did in league with what go on in our church long time. I not just know it go on basically is what the man say. And the whole of them did know where go on until now. So him feel like the whole of them get charged. Watch out. I make you take a listen to what Rowan have to say. But I want you to talk to me down below in the comment section and tell me if you agree to or not. Zane, make we listen to what Rowan has say.
What's up, beautiful people? Go on. And the big head man himself, you know, the one I know the big guy, the one that say call spade, spade. Call a spade, spade. Now, me want to weigh in on Kevin topic. The so-called cult man topic. I know say, hear what me I say, people. Me think them should have left the man there alone, you know. Them should have left the man there alone. Just say if Kevin get locked up, me feel like your whole life church forget lock up. You say if Kevin go down, me feel like everybody's supposed to go down with him. Why would I say a thing like that? For you, have your rightful mind and know about God and all them kind of thing. The behavior where Kevin in a carry on and a go on with in our church, is that godly behavior? The way me yesterday man I tell people if you take off them clothes and you have to strip in front of the church and stand up them naked as the day you born, and man a walk on with the tool and woman a walk on with the machine and naked as the day them born, and it is okay. And you tell me say them have police and them have teachers and them have all kind of people of high society in the church, and them are going to say that is okay. I just saw pastor worship and the way pastor preach and pastor galang, you know say that is okay. And now that you say he murder people and murder committed in the church, you know find the things is strange for a long time. So how come nobody no lash out? How come nobody no say none? Or is it okay with Uno? You say if it's okay with Uno, then me think it's okay for Uno take some of the blame too. A whole of I see him thing guilty, every single one of Uno guilty, just the same as Kevin. So if Kevin forget charged, a whole of Uno forget charged. Yo, me I tell you say no. We gone, you know. And I like no joke gone, you know. We gone, you know. When me tell us that even God take out of him, we gone, you know. We gone to one place where we don't even know how it is to worship the true and living God. We make man dictate to we and tell we who God is. But you know, say a long time that's something I go on. People, a long time this I go on, you know. Watch this. People nowadays worship pastor more than how them worship God. You hear me? People worship a pastor now and they assemble them more than how them worship God. If a man hears a pastor now come to church today, right now, have if I'm but feeling if him figure. If a man hears a pastor now go come at a Sunday service tonight, man, if I'm but if him figure. But make pastor have the appreciation service. Make a pastor birthday. Make pastor say want to see everybody turn out. Then you know we see. Make pastor tell you say, provide him or her with some Sunday dinner, and then you will see. You will plan for only cook chicken. You take it to a different level. We worship them kind of people. We worship them kind of people for a long time. So, you know, funny when you see one man take it to a different level, you know, funny. It's not funny and it's not surprising when you see a man take it to a different level. Kevin take it to a different level. Kevin turn up the notch. Me here say the man cry say want $100,000 for coming in the ark. $100,000 for coming in the ark. The ark we park. The ark we half finished building. The man say want $100,000 for coming there. And people have to come in there, come near mackerel and rice. You want to say that the man are not serious, man? Me? Me feel like say if Kevin go down, everybody in our church guilty too. Every single jack man and child in our place guilty just the same as Kevin Smith. You understand what I say? Because if you see immorality go on and you allow this, you allow your pitney when you can't go to church to sit down and watch woman and take off them clothes, watch man and walk around with them tool round the place like I don't know, and you find that is okay, and you find say that is alright. You deserve the same punishment where the man deserve. And you know, so me can't understand the JCF neither. Me can't understand the JCF neither, you know. Sometimes me wonder upon some regards, you just have people are mixed up and down, have people up and down. What do you see one on the rush off find a little girl and in search a little girl. Me see one do such a wonderful job. Then you drop back down to zero again. You have so-called murderer, culprit. Sit down in a chair telling up your bullshit and you sit down there laugh and go like you find it funny. Which part of that funny? Which part of that funny? I saw no train for deal with apprehend suspect and deal with suspect and deal with man where who no hold with crime. I saw no deal with them. No handcuff. A man sit down in a chair telling about him a catching peak water and him and the excellency. I want to sit down and laugh like a joke thing this. That's why people not take on of a jackass. And that's why people not take on of a clown. You understand? That's why people take on of an idiot because of no behavior and no conduct. You see me? Man commit them the kind of man for lock away one side. You understand? Shackles and chain too much on him. You understand? When the business if fat and can't run or nothing like that. See him like how you deal with the goose. I see him when you deal with the gander. You understand? I bet yourself when you hold some little youth for some little traffic offense. I want to hold them in a corner. On deal with them some of the most wicked this way. What is so fun on our laugh and I come giggle like say as some joke thing this. Eh? You don't hear them say tree murder. You don't hear them say police get shoot after and all them kind of thing. You don't hear them say soldier get shoot after and all them kind of thing. I want to come laugh like that funny. It don't funny. It don't funny. And at time for you to take on a job damn serious. You understand? Time for you to take on a career damn serious because this ain't no joke about this. You understand? There ain't no joke about this. And as me I say, if Kevin Smith go down, the whole of them in that church deserve to go down. The whole of them in that church because them a party a kind of fight. Because watch ya, them see it. And them know what go on and them know what go take place. And them uphold with it. You understand? And them uphold with it and them carry it out. You understand? So all of them forget charge too. Not only for no breach a curfew. You understand? If three of we are riding in one vehicle in America and one of us shoot and one somebody there, the whole of we are get giant charge equal. So I don't see all that them and the one forget charge and the rest of them for walk scot free. You understand? Cause spade. The whole of them deserve to get charged. And at times for people know say church people them pastor is just a man. You hear me? I say it's just a man and the Bible say they call to serve. The Bible say you're called to serve. And that you're supposed to do there to serve. Not come take the people money and come lead people astray. As me say, a long time them have something go on. But some of them don't know if you drag it to this level. But Kevin drag it right out. Kevin carry right out. Kevin take 100 G from them to go in an ark. Plus, me yes, the man raking a mill every friggin' week. Every week, a man raking a mill. And if you ask them for no donation, for donate, for feed the poor or feed the hungry, yes, them don't have it. But yet still, a man are raking a mill every single week out of offering. I see the man back out to a book and call roll call men absent and present. And if you're not present a Sunday data, you have to pay for that. This a man I take it to a different level. At time for we stop old pastors and put them on some pedestal because they are just human beings. And some of them act like them big and mighty and some of them act like, me I tell a long time I cult business here go on, you know. A long time I cult business here go on. And watch me. You say if them expose Kevin church, you want to tell me say, neighbor church they don't have no more. You want to tell me say, him just say only one. People, open up your eyes, man. Open up on the eyes, man. Make people get deceiving and left, right, and center. You make people take a little God what we have now. You make people take a little substance what we have to carry through this life. Your people at time for we open up our eyes and see people for who them is. Pastor is just a man, and the Bible says he called for serve, and that him supposed to do serve. The Bible says by the sweat and blood shall name bread, and that him for do if you want this, he go work fit. Yo, at time for to look on them people as just human being and see them for who them is. Man, I'll tell you, say, take off your clothes. Take off your this. Walk naked in that church. For them, I look on your pride and joy, and then they come like nothing to your people.
Alright, so uno get Ruan take on things. So what uno say? How uno feel about that? Me I look for the comments down in the comment section. See? Now, you don't know me have another general who want to address another thing too. Cause the man say him watch a video and him certain things him not agree with. So him want to put theme take to it. So take a listen to what the general has say. Yes.
Yeah, me watch a video a while ago. On Unstoppable TV. With this pastor man. A chatbot. That's why God gave me Bible. Which God you are talking about, brother? I don't want you to tell me which God you are talking about. Anyway, God can give you the Bible, of course. But the creator of life and of the universe that create every living things in the sea, underneath the sea, on the earth or underneath the earth, and him give mankind that the Bible. That the book what they call the Bible. You understand? Not the creator of life give mankind the Bible. Because if you read the Old Testament and some things, look into this now. God make every man equal far as me concerned. So I wanted a nation, I go slave and oppress wanted a nation. And it is in the Bible. What you must do to your slave. One man can work for 7 years. And when he work for 7 years, if he come in your yard, right? If you take him in your yard, and when he come in your yard, and he not come with nothing, and he work for 7 years, he must left with nothing, right? And if he come in your yard, and he come with a woman, or your wife, and if the wife bear children, see, and when the 7 year done, the wife and the husband supposed to leave and leave the children on the slave plantation. And if the slave master give the man a wife, and if he bear children when he left, he must have left the wife and left the picnic. Wish God, wish creator, right? Uda so wicked to his handmaid, right? When him create from the dust, as we want to say, wouldn't do such things. Eh? Listen to me, let me tell you something. You see, most of the things where you see them right in the Bible, right? Me can't remember to quote scriptures to tell you. But all of we familiar with all this murdering and this genocide type of living before, and say it's God. God no need man to help him do nothing. You understand? God no need no man to help him to slaughter nobody. You understand? If God wants to slaughter, he slaughter. God no need no send no man nowhere to go kill nobody. Most of the Old Testament, God sent Gideon, and he sent David, and he sent Joshua, and he sent Saul, and he sent all kind of people. Right? And the message was, when you go over there, so you must kill everything. You kill woman, children, hog, dog, puss, man, everything you have to kill. No, I don't think the creator work like that. So all of those things is man, right? And put it away. A matter of fact, you see the word God. The word God. It is just like Pepsi, a Grace product. You see me? It's just a brand. You understand? It's just a brand. The word God is just a brand. So they have a brand now. A brand to sell the product. You understand what I say? So that's what Babylon do. They make up and tell us they are God because they want to sell. They want to sell them propaganda. Right? So they make up and then tell us say, Make up and then tell us that God this and God do that. And all kind of stuff. Saying, a lot of people are running from reality. And when it comes to certain topic or certain point where you need to touch, and you're touching and tell us that you're ungodly. When you touch certain topic and certain point, them tell you how you're ungodly and how you're this and how you're that. God is not a murderer. You understand? Because all the wickedness we are going on earth, you know. How God not send nobody go kill Bill Gates and Anthony Fauci and Joe Biden and all them George Bush and all them blood clot wicked people. How God no rise up nobody if he go kill them and kill them family. The same Bible tells us that today God is the same today, yesterday, and every day God is the same. So if God is terrible, so in a them the time, then in a them a couple thousand years ago, wow, God asleep now? God gets soft? I be a fucker and be a lie when you tell upon the creator, man. You make money. Saying? The name God is a brand. When you make for selling a propaganda and for can off people. And people carry their money come Japan in a church and telling them fuckery and all kind of stuff. I used to go to church. And the reason why me stop, me have my pastor who used to preach and saying deliver people and he heal people and all that kind of something. And he end up blood clot blind. So that means to say he never good in the first place. Because if you are heal people and deliver people, how come you end up blind? That's my question. So me stop go. Because you help people, you can't help your fucking self. That means you're no good. Only way I believe in a church. And I would believe in a pastor. And all them people that we say them are create miracles. And all that kind of stuff. I have to say when you go in a hospital and all them people in there. When you go in there, go preach and when you go in there, go pray, if fucking one of them get up and walk out, then we don't say, yes, you're a man of God. You're not a man of God, you're a man of the blood clot devil. I'm telling you straight. Because most of you don't know what to do, what to talk, say. You just chat in order to get money. You understand? Because all of this thing will come out now, when them are growing up, I pressure people to do this and we take this and we take that. A church bow first. Me know one lady when me used to work for. When that lady there, you go work for that lady there, she take her 2 hours to go pray in a room. Right? And when time this thing come out, as she first one go take her first joke. You understand? That means to say them weak. Them weak. So you can't come tell me nothing about whatever I'm not telling about, man. I believe that I am me. Right? Have the creator in me. So I don't want none of you come tell me nothing. And come tell me about me must give me life to Jesus. Jesus give way for him life. For a friend. Lay down his life for a friend. So why me give me life? Give him for me life. And he get way. Eh? Jesus is a white man. That's what them do. And them say, according to Babylon, God white and the devil is fucking black. So why a black man like me must go pray to one white man? You know better me pray to the fucking devil? Put it away then. Because if the picture is in a society God white and the devil is black. Let me turn over here so. Over the black side. I want to stay over on the white side. So you can't convince me and tell me nothing because most of you are liar and thief. Understand? Party man. No for no pastor. You come and preach about you and lay hands on your mother. You understand? Because you not possess the same power where you feel in your mind, so you possess. We possess more than that, and we possess more than that because we are great. We are lords and gods of the earth. So learn that. Uno make it look like God and the devil is the same thing. Because the devil kill people and God kill people. It can't work, so brother. So that's the reason why I don't believe in no propaganda. We always spread and grow and go chat. and go convince people and all kind of stuff. Mr. One pastor there, they buy one plane for 500 million. 500 million for carry him. And it takes 17,000 US to gas up the plane. Each time I fly, I look at what hungry people they all about over the world. Like you buy one plane for 500 million and you have another one ready to buy. You buy one for Mel Gibson for 300 or 400 million. And you go back go buy one now for 500 million. Eh? And you can give some of them money they all about in the world to poor people and homeless people. But they end up buying planes for 500 million. I don't believe in them, I don't trust you. I don't believe in you. I'm glad say the creator expose you, our mother nature, our time expose you. Because whole pound of the world than where the pastor do this. You understand? If you give power to say you can heal or you can this. You can heal yourself. You understand? You can heal yourself, man, because you possess the power to heal yourself. Right? Just believe in yourself. Right? Just believe in your creator way in you. You understand? Whatever sickness or whatever problem you have, and you heal yourself.
Well, alright, Unstoppable family, you know me like to do it already. Me like to get phone opinions as well. Alright, more want to talk to me down below in the comment section. Tell me one thing about where Rowan officer and what the next general officer. Alright, me I go look out for no comments and I will definitely respond if no comment makes sense. See it? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and if for your first time you check out that channel here and you not hit that subscribe button yet, hit the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once we drop a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.